Oh my God, can you guys see the snow? Oh my God. I got my little shovel. Just because we just do a little walkway right here, but oh my goodness. Afterwards, I'm gonna go and get a measuring tape and we're gonna see how much snow. This is crazy. We have hours of this left. It's nuts. I think they were predicting 18, somewhere around there. Thank God it's light. This is wicked light snow. Oh my God. Thank God. It's like never ending. Oh my God. Look, I don't know if you guys can see how deep that goes. Look at that. Okay, hold on, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get a measuring tape. All right, we got the measuring tape here. Let's just stick it in and see what happens. What? Oh, we got 15 inches. 15 inches. That is crazy. Oh my God, that's nuts. Jess and I were planning on, yeah, you wanna see Jess? She's pretty. So Jess and I were planning on building a snowman, but I don't think it's sticky enough. The last snow we had was sticky enough, and we didn't go out and do it. We were waiting for another storm, and this one's just too light. Oh my God. This is crazy.
And lucky me, I have to go to the store later. Soon, now.
All right, I want you guys, can you see? I don't know if you guys can see. I have no idea what's gonna show up on camera. But look at this, it's crazy. Look at that. Look at these trees, crazy. 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 I have no idea what
Thank God my boots are long enough.
Oh, this is crazy. It's nuts. Okay. So we just wanted to... This is Jess in the snow. Oh my goodness. So we just wanted to give you guys a
Snow.
snowflake. Just I inhaled one. Oh my God, that's insane. It is. The visibility out here is almost nil, guys. I'm telling you, it's probably less than 1/8 of a mile. It's oh, okay. I think we're good, right?
Yep.
All right. So you guys stay warm,
Check that out.
and okay, we're going in. Stay warm.